Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Just want to show something very important about Magic IB system. That These are my let me just show it to you. Okay, it's pound Aussie. This trade of a 7-minute chart. My guide chart is 33 minutes, and then I take entry from 7-minute chart after confirmation. So if you pay attention, look, 30th April 30, I had this trade, pound Aussie 7-minute chart, 130 pip. What happened here? You see this yellow red line here, right? All the way in the bottom, right? Okay, here the wave was below the red line and the price was below the red line. Now the idea is that if you're bouncing or dropping from a support or resistance, for example, this was support. So the confirmation comes when the price goes above this wave or the red line, right? And then you have a higher low with this indicator all the way down. Okay, and then knowing that this is the area that I supposed to bounce, right? And then that's what exactly I see. Then I pull the trigger. This is how this magic system is, and then you saw the trade nice and clean going. This is the entry. So many entries you get, even if you miss one. But the analysis tell you that where you're going to bounce, maybe, right? And if you don't gonna bounce, then you will not see the price going above this red line, so you will never go long. So you're safe there. But if you're expecting, and then all of a sudden you see that happening, you get in, and this is what happened. Now pay attention, 30th, April 30, this is pound Aussie. Then the same kind of whole phenomena happened on Aussie 20-minute chart as well on the 9th. Same thing, just a different time frame. And I'll explain you, this is not a time frame, this is a brick size. So the price was below the red line here, right? That's actually not 20 minutes, that's probably 7 minutes, right? Same thing. But the price was below the wave, and then look, went above the wave, the first entry here, then the second, then the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the price going up. This is how it moves, right? Now, and today, what happened? Same story, same situation, same chart, same everything. Price was below the wave, below the red line, all of a sudden, boom, went up, indicators all the way down, much higher low, and after that, gone with the wind. That's for more than 70 pip, it went up more than that. Okay. Similarly, this is not only pound Aussie, it happens in every pair. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. Now you can see here, Euro Aussie 7-minute chart on the 30th, this was the trade, below the red line, moving, all of a sudden it pops to the upside. This was the first entry I missed, but then I got the second entry, and this is another entry there, but you don't need to, you have one entry, that's enough. And then it went up, right? And exactly the same, I had the trades in between, but I don't find the charts right now. So the one I found, I'm showing you. So Euro Aussie 30-minute, and then look what happened today. Just keep this picture in your eye, right? Below the wave here, below the red line, and all of a sudden going to the upside, much higher low, right? And then indicators all the way down and make the entry. Look what happened. This is today. We were here, support. This was the support area, some kind of support, and I was expecting that we're gonna be bouncing from here. This is what I said on my yesterday's webinar, that pound Aussie and Euro Aussie both gonna go up because the Aussie is dropping. And then all of a sudden the price goes up. Here, the entry, this is the second entry. I don't need to take this one. This is the one that I took, and it went up all the way to 61.88 area. And just before that I closed the trade, and I actually reversed it too, because 61.88 is a powerful area. Let me show it to you. I even posted on my Telegram. You see here, this is the chart, and I said to close my EA long and shorting just below 61.88 with tight stop. And all before GA mentioned the webinar is my entry. This is the GA entry that I posted, right? So going long. So there was all long, and now I know that they went up pretty good distance, so the retracement has to happen. And if I maybe our the short is okay, here is okay. See, I just showed you that on my message here on my Telegram. I send out that close my EA long and now shorting just below 61.88 with tight stop, and here's the 61.88 just below. I reverse the position here, and that I'm sitting almost like a break even. Entry is around like 75, and now I'm already 20 pip positive. If it goes up one more time and take me out, maybe I'm gonna lose 4 pip. What the heck, right? But if it continue going to the downside here, maybe or down here, then there's another free trade for me. Okay, so this is how it is. But you see that going up, how it's exactly the same way, exactly the same style, same phenomena, same everything is same. It's like the movement on the 7-minute chart is so amazingly same that if you master it, if you learn, then the same thing happened. Let me show you maybe another thing. I'll show you that same thing, but the opposite direction. Where it happened, I didn't take it, but it happened on pound yen. Look, this is the pound yen. The price was here, slowly came down. This is a short entry, short entry, short entry, short entry, gone. That's it. And now it's bouncing, right? But it dropped pretty, you can see how many pips. It start bouncing from, let me see, probably exactly from 120, 140 to 80, 140 to 80 to 141.20. This is how far. So it was almost like more than 150 pip drop. I missed it, but I got what I had to. So that's enough. So now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, and pound Aussie also reversed, but I didn't take that one. I just took the Euro Aussie. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's just probably gonna come down here. Maybe 61.38. I'll close because I don't want to take a chance. So. So this is how it is. Just wanted to show you guys, share with you guys that this is so easy if you learn. You have to learn that. Obviously, these candles new. These candles are new. The thing is that with these Renko candles, that they cut out a lot of noises. All the noise is just gone. The big wicks up and down, and small candles and big candles and everything. And then pure setups are. You can see those pure setups. Exact candles and exact setups on exact spots. 60.72 just above that, that's a big level, weekly high. Then it goes straight to 61.38, wobble a little bit, and then from there, boom, straight to 61.88. Exactly. Let me show you where these numbers are, if you will be interested in these. See, 61.88 and 61.38 and 60.72. This is my weekly chart. And these are the numbers. 61.88 is this high. We just coming below this number, right? And 61.38 is this high, little high here. And 60.72 is this one. So these are the numbers that you see on my chart. And then in between those, I take my entries because my chart is just guiding me very, very easily. Because you see, it just bounced above this 60.72. Found, gave me the entry, and after that you just follow these levels and Fibonacci measurements and a little bit here there. When you join, I'll explain you, I'll teach you everything. And then just wanted to show you that this is the same phenomena happen again and again and again and again in each and every single pair. You have so many pairs. Last week yen pair were moving, and I just showed you pound yen. Same thing, dropping, exactly the same thing, going up, exactly the same thing. You just have to transit from bottom to the top of this wave, this red line, and you will see a lot of entries, and take any one of them, and you will not even see 10 pip negative against you. Okay, that's another beauty about this system, that you will never go negative. If you will go, it's simply that it will just go against you and take out your SL around 20 pip. That's it. Finish, finito. I never move my SL. So like this one, see if it's there, fine. It moves in my direction. Give me enough room to come and sit on a break even, or maybe like 5 pip at risk. That's it, right? I'm sitting there, a little bit more drop, and I will be break even plus 5 pip. And then if it turns around and then take me out, I don't have to do anything. I don't lose anything, right? So that's why most of my trades, when I'm losing, but basically I'm not losing, and that's why I don't have to show any losing trade. A lot of people say that you only show positive trades, man. Where the losers? This is what the loser I'm talking about. I'm going against the trend, but I got enough room to come and sit on a break even. And if I'm out, I'm out without losing anything. Maybe here right now I have like 5 pip at risk. That's it. So what am I gonna do showing that, that, oh yeah, I lost 5 pips? I tried my entry. If it doesn't work out, fine. But in the meantime, I made like almost 100 pip going to the upside, right? That's the bottom line. So that's how it is. And if you like what you see, just go on my website, subscribe, and start learning. Start learning and, doing something like this. And if you have something better than this, and if you are working, if it is working fine and you're doing good, you don't have to do anything. Don't get involved with my thing. Whatever working for you, just stay with that. Okay? But if you don't have anything and you are struggling, then you might want to look into this, because once you understand this, it is very easy. I just showed you that, from last month till now, only 2 pairs, you see how many pips I pull. And very, very simple, same setup again and again and again and again. You don't have to go and look, for 1,000 different setups. I will teach you harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this and that. But this is after you're doing all the analysis, right? For example, harmonic patterns, okay, so X, A, B, C, D. Okay, this is a harmonic pattern and we are sitting, so we're supposed to bounce from here. How? When? How are you going to make an entry? This is how. If we suppose this is the end of harmonic pattern around this area, so now you have to know that if it's going to work out. If it is going to work out, then the prices start to go up. Then you will see this phenomena here, that the price will go above the wave, will come down. You will see a higher low, and this indicator is all the way down. Now your setup is complete. It's confirmed that it's going to go up. Get in without any pip giving in negative side. Okay, you will never see, very, very few times you will see the negative side. So this is how it is. I just wanted to show you guys and share with you guys. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.